Many customers want to use one unit short blasting machine to blast many workpieces, such as H-beam, steel plate, steel tube, pipe, and a small size steel structure. If that, you can consider this one, roller conveyor short blasting machine. This is the second unit order from the customer. The opening size for this machine is 1.7 meter. That is suitable to blast 1.5 meter plate. And that with 4-unit blast turbine. If you have a steel structure want to use this machine, that can consider use 6-unit blast turbine. This is an abrasive cleanup system that including brush, high pressure fan, and a screw conveyor that can up and down according to the height of the workpieces. This is a very important part for the steel plate. Standard parts: screw conveyor, bucket elevator, separator, and the dust collector. This is the standard size short blasting machine. If you have many different sizes of the workpieces, you can let me know the size of them. Because we have many customer size short blasting machine, we can give you the professional proposal and the best price. See you.